Hey folks, I'm the Surveyor Chef with Minne-Florida Livin, and today I'm going to show you how to make pickled red onions. Okay, this is half an onion. You might need a little bit more to fit into this pint jar, so I'm just going to go with probably about 3/4 of an onion. Let's see how that works. So we'll just take our pint-sized jar here, and we'll put our onions in. Kind of want to mix them up and stuff them in the best you can. I like these wide mouth jars because they're easier to cram stuff in. Okay, that should be good. There's a little bit left over. You can save that for something else. Alright, so we got the jar packed full here. Now we're going to make the brine quick. So you take your little sauce pot, put in 3 tablespoons of white sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 cup of white vinegar, and 1 clove of garlic, which I'm going to smash just quick here. Alright, that's our brine. So we'll just put this on the heat, bring it up to a boil, dissolve everything, and dump the brine into the jar. Okay, we're just stirring this to dissolve the sugar and the salt, and then kind of bring out the flavor profiles of that black pepper and that garlic. So we're at a boil here, so I'm just going to shut the heat off, and we'll put it on the onions. Okay, so we got the brine off the heat here. I'm just going to take my jar of onions, my handy dandy funnel, and dump this brine right in there. Alright, then you just take your lid here, seal it up, and you got the good stuff. I'm just going to cover this with a towel. Alright, these pickled red onions have been sitting on the counter for a couple hours and they came to room temperature. But I just want to give you a little peek here and see what they look like. See that nice red color? Oh man, that's beautiful. That's going to be awesome on a brat, a burger, pizza, or my favorite tacos. This has been the Surveyor Chef for Minne-Florida Livin. Thanks for watching and enjoy the good stuff.